people, today I have the July Ipsy Glam Bag, or the original. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I will say I skipped the month of June because my bag never arrived. And then when I got back home from vacation, I was like, I had to reach out to them and let them know that my order was never received. I do pay for this for myself. So they did send it. I will do a little unbagging of it at the end of this video if you guys want to see what I got in my June one. But let's get into July. I love the bag. It goes in correlation with the July extra bag. This is yellow, and I love that it has the little sunglasses. They're like little 50s retro sunglasses as the zipper. So first off, I got this concealer and I try to use it. I had to darken it up with another one. This is the Ace Beauty Ready in 5 Hydrating Creamy Concealer. I got the shade M1, but it is way too light to the point that it makes my under eyes look a little grayish. So I had to bring in some of my normal concealers to kind of like tone this down a little bit. So I might just use this to like mix in just to kind of brighten a little bit on the inner corner, but it's not something that I can use all over. But I am excited to kind of just try the formula and see how it is. I also, oh wait, I didn't even talk about this. So this month the theme is Passport to Play, and we have a sneak peek. We have the Wander Beauty High Club Mascara, Tatcha Cleanser, and the First Aid Facial Radiance Pads. Okay, so the Ace Beauty, this is a deluxe sample, and the full size version is $24. And next we have this Bella Pierre Precious 24 Karat Gold. I actually use this today underneath my makeup. This is a brightening vitamin C booster. It says it has 24 karat gold, vitamin C, and caffeine. This is a travel size. Holy crap, this is a $40 travel size. And it's kind of like a gold serum type of vibe to it. And once you blend it out, you can see like little glitters in there. It kind of gives, it's supposed to give like that illusion of reflecting against the light. It doesn't have a smell to it, but it did hydrate really nicely. It kind of gave a little bit of a glow to my skin. But I don't know if I would buy a $40 travel size product. Next we have a Grace and Stella Eye Mask Heroes. These are $7.50. This is full size and it comes with 3 of them. If you've been watching me, you know that I love skincare. I love using under eye patches, so these will be used. It has visibly moisturize, eliminate, and restore the look of skin. And yeah, so one of them is for moisturizing, one is for illuminating, and one is for restoring. So we will be using those. Next I have a little gold fade-in, and this is a deluxe sample. It's a lifting neck cream. The full size is $155, which, yeah, I'm not doing that, but we shall see. I feel like as I've hit my 40s, all of a sudden I have like this little neck thing. Let me know if I'm not the only one. I feel like it just comes with age. And then once you hit, you know, your 60s and 70s, you have like a full little turkey thing here. But yeah, I am all for using stuff, so I try to do this all the time where I bring down all my God, I can't talk and do this at the same time. I try to bring all my skincare down, my neck down to my chest. I try to massage everything going backwards like this, like up and back to try to just help it. Try to help gravity not fall into that too fast. And then last we have a full size mascara. This is $29. It's from Seraphine Botanicals. It's a Power Curl Mascara in Jet Black. I'm not gonna open it because I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I have probably like 15 mascaras right now that are unopened, and I don't want to just open it and then get air into it right away. But we'll see when I see the wand, because once they're like curling, they usually have like a, yeah, this one looks like it in the picture. Kind of has like a more rounded type of brush to it, and I'm not really fond of that, but I'll give it a go. And that is it for my July. I'm just okay with it. Nothing was like, wow, I'm super excited. I didn't even pick my choice this past month, so that was the thing too. But let's go into June. If you want to see that, you can keep watching. If not, it's okay. But this is a little baggie. I think that this is cute. I feel like somebody could use this like as a little purse because it kind of looks like a little clutch. It reminds me of Pretty in Pink. It's an 80s movie. But on this one, I can't remember what my choice was. Let me see. Did I pick a choice for this one? No, I don't think I picked a choice for this one either. I was too busy like with my vacation planning that I didn't do any of that. But I have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. And this is a little travel size. I will put this into my travel bag because I love having little moisturizers like this that I can take with me. Oh, this looks nice. It's very creamy, milky. It doesn't have a scent to it. It seems very hydrating and nice, so I will be using this. Next, we have the Skin Co. Serum, and it's a tiny little one. It's made in Italy. I don't have a little paper that says anything about these because they had to send it to me last minute. I was like, hey, I didn't receive my bag. And they couldn't even promise me that I was going to get the stuff that is on the app. They were like, well, you might get substitutes. But I did get everything that was on there. So another little moisturizing mini little serum. I do use these a lot. I love for travel. Next, I have this little, what are you? This is the Rose Mesa Desert Mirage Blurring Powder. And it's from Ather Beauty. I haven't ever heard of this brand. Okay. Oh, it has like, I'm like, why is it not opening? It has a little elastic on here. This I'm going to have to give away. This is so pale and white that literally does not go with my skin whatsoever. Why is it this color? Maybe it's supposed to be that color? Is it just like a kind of like a blotting powder? Wow, that is white as hell. I don't know. We shall see. Let me see. Maybe I could use it kind of like to touch up like lightly on my face. I can't put too much because I think like it'll just make me look really, really white. But and then the last thing in here. Oh no, I have two more things. So I have a Reina Rebelde. And this is a green liner. I'm not sure what the brand is. Is that the brand? Reina Rebelde? Oh, it is. That's the brand. And then the color is called Salvaje. And it's this beautiful green. If I could get this damn plastic off of it. Oh, that is nice. It is very pigmented. It feels really creamy. Beautiful green color. Today I have the Benefit, like the new green one in my waterline. So I will definitely give this a go. I have not heard of this brand, Reina Rebelde. Not sure. Let me know if anybody knows about this. And the last thing in here is a Pixi tinted lip balm in Rosette. I really like Pixi. I've used their stuff. I've been on their PR. I bought their stuff at Target. This is a little chunkity chunk. And I don't know if, can you use this also for your cheeks? Or is this only for the lips? So it has shea butter, avocado oil, hyaluronic acid. Yeah, so it's supposed to be only for your lips. I feel like it's so, oh, holy crap. I feel like it's so huge. Like this is like even a chunky lip product from Tarte. It's like a lip crayon. Like why is it so huge? I don't know. Let's go ahead and it's like a balm type of feel to it, but it doesn't have much pigmentation. I'm rubbing it quite a bit to get the color to show up. So it's very, very light kind of color to it. I don't know, we'll see. I might give that to my mom. I think that she might use that a little bit more than I will. But that is everything from my June and July. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, Thank you guys so much. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I have my socials down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.